Tiasha said you are the woman we are talking about.
Yes, because as I need to correct some notions because I was the one that brought myself to social media. I'm not a social media person. So they shared 2 of your life to me. For it to start, I am really, really disappointed. Number one, to somebody that know my husband and know my mother-in-law, I'm really disappointed at you. For number one, for the fact that you and my husband, you guys have sat down in one place and talked and maybe do 1 or 2 things together. I'm really disappointed. You also, at least, you could have been in a position to even call me. I remember when this case happened, before I came to social media, I wrote you a message. You can check your email. I told you that I was deported because I've seen you and Tiasha together. I'm not hiding.
Wrote me?
Hello?
You wrote me?
Yes, I wrote you. You can check your TikTok email. Yeah,
did I respond to you?
I wrote you because you did not respond to me.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead.
Hello.
Go ahead.
Can you hear me? See, I am the one that owns the case. I'm here to say what I know. Number one, I am the legally wife married to Nusa. Tiasha, please hear me, everybody, clearly that is listening to this live stream today. Tiasha was not the one that gave my husband documents. Never.
No, never. Nobody said it. His mom.
Okay, because they are saying it now that Tiasha gave my husband documents. Number two, my husband went to go and borrow money with Tiasha. They borrow money together, and the money is now on my husband's neck. That's number two. The money is even put to the cousin's brother's name, Uncle Iradia in Austria there. I can testify of that. And number three, Auntie Mabel, you said something. You said maybe they did a DNA test and maybe the first child is not for my husband.
I met my husband when I was it's not me and you. God forbid. What is wrong with you?
Excuse me. I said it. Maybe I did not say it. I said it.
Okay, no, I said that.
No. What did you call me? Did you call me Mabel or Auntie Mabel?
Auntie Mabel, I cannot call you Mabel. Why would I call you Mabel?
Thank God.
Auntie Mabel. Never.
That wasn't me. I was even the one saying that that cannot be.
She did not say it. I said it. I was looking at various scenarios why your criminal husband was deported.
My husband was not deported.
Oh, so you know where he is. I thought you said you don't know where he is.
Madam, see, do you know one thing I don't like? I'm not a social media person. Me coming to social media is not even right at the first. Madam, wait, I'm not talking to you.
I'm trying. Where your husband is. So how do you know he wasn't deported?
Okay, wait. See, just Millie J, please, just hold on. At least that one was cleared. I didn't say she was the one suggesting it, and I'm like, I don't think so. She asked me if DNA is done here in Austria or in Nigeria. I said normally in Nigeria. I don't know. I'm not there.
For somebody like me, my first child was 5 months and 21 days when Osa was brought to Austria. You can confirm that from anybody. My daughter, Osa will be 17 years in Austria by November 16. While by May 29, my daughter will be 17 years.
17 years.
Yes.
Okay.
And number two, when Tiasha was in the picture, when my husband started dating Tiasha that year, she's there, she's listening to me. Tiasha was the one that wrote me on Facebook and told me everything. Told me everything that they were dating, all those kind of. I don't want to go that's
okay, she knew that you are the wife, and yet she was the one writing you that you guys are dating. Or maybe you thought it's the sister.
Yeah.
Let's not get confused here.
Because I said that he have a child. He never told me that he has somebody he's
Are you hearing that?
Because I'm not a fucking second wife to nobody.
Okay.
I came to meet him.
Okay.
He said he's single.
Number two.
Yeah, sing.
No,
okay, is that clarified now? He came to her as a single man.
Number two. Before you go to number two,
he came to us, but he knew, but she knew that the man has a child in Nigeria, right? Yes,
not married. Has a child.
Didn't you give me the phone to talk to your child through your phone with your child?
Ma, please, can you please mute the rest so that I can explain myself? I just want to explain myself because I see.
Yeah, but when you are,
I'm here before.
Don't twist the story.
Don't twist the story.
Because me and you were talking on video. Your child was there. We were sending child support, right? For your school fees.
Okay. because you guys were dating, you guys were dating and you guys had something, you gave birth. Even before you gave birth, my husband was already in Nigeria. See, I don't want to go through that because he's a man. He has right to marry as much women he can. Yeah, that one is past. What I'm here today, I'm here to clarify this thing. I'm here to clarify this thing today. My husband brought me to Austria with visa, family reunion visa. When I came, the issue she had with Tiasha, I don't know what happened between she and Tiasha. The case was in court. And at the end of the day, my visa was denied because they said my husband will go to prison.
I don't know why the husband, sorry, but why, I don't know why I would not tell the wife what is happening. Why would he hide it?
Ma, please.
Okay.
Mommy, please, can you just give me, your name?
I'm listening because the reason why I confronted her, if actually she was the one that brought you guys back, like if she had a hand, like you said, they have a court case together. Like
I did not
the
have
ex-wife, the baby mama had court case with, just like the way you repeated it right now.
My name was not on his papers, right? She's still denying the papers.
She's still denying it. There's nothing like that.
Ma, please, can you just give me a listening ear? I'm not here to make quarrel or shout because you are one kind, because I know you know my husband so well, and the way what they are saying is not right. That's why you see me.
I know him.
I don't know him.
Mama Damien, you know my husband, you know Nusa. You cannot tell me. Don't you know old school? Is it not old school daughter, old school son?
Old school, yes, I know old school.
I've seen Sarah there before now. I've seen Sarah in your platform before now.
I'm trying to find
Sarah in my platform.
Yeah, Sarah was in your platform one time ago like that now. Don't you know old school?
Oh, wait. His picture, wait. On Instagram.
Ma, don't you know school? Are you telling me that you don't know school?
Is it not the same, Mama? Is it the same person you're talking about? Let me see.
Oh, did he block me?
They block you?
No, block me on Instagram. We have been following each other.
Mama? There's no picture you have. Me, I don't know his name.
How can you say you don't know Nosa?
How can I say I don't know Nosa? Like seriously, do you see me in the city grads?
Wait. No, you know, because my husband said, as in, no, don't you know, but you know old school. He's the son of
I know
old school now.
If it's old school, if it's the old school I know here in Graz, yes, I know old school. I know old school, and so if I know old school, am I supposed to know what brought you guys to Nigeria? Am I supposed to know what brought you to Nigeria? We are talking about what brought you guys to Nigeria and what the kind of crime he committed to bring him to Nigeria. Am I supposed to be partial here if I know old school? If I know old school, am I supposed to know you, know the children, and know what brought him to Nigeria? I don't know.
But what I'm trying to let you know that you know old school. If you know old school, you know the
If I know old school, then how am I supposed to know what happened? The point is that this girl did not have issue with Nosa. That is what we are trying to clarify here. She's not the reason why you guys brought back.
Auntie Mebe, no.
And then if Nosa is here for 17 years, since Nosa was here since 17 years, there is no way you can tell me that you are coming out to beg for money when you know that every 17 years there must have been something he kept. As in, there must be house, there must be property.
See, the main reason why I came out because I want people to hear my voice. Yeah, I came there to beg because I was deported. They didn't allow me to take anything. Yes, fine, good.
It's not necessary if he's here for 17 years.
Okay, I would have gone and steal. Then you hear that, okay, no, so why I go steal the bitter. Is that what?
What I see.
That one for better?
You don't have it? You don't have the letter.
You blocked me on Instagram, it's like...
Yeah, I don't know their names, so me, I don't know people in that. So go ahead.
Ma, I just came...
But she said that, you said that Nosa is not yet, that you didn't hear anything about him, that he's still somewhere, you know? But
I'm here to tell you today that Nosa document was taken because of Tiasha. Because Tiasha and the sister went to tell police that Nosa molested the sister. Why is Tiasha lying?
Why are you lying?
Why is she lying?
Why are you lying? I've never been to any police. Do you have proof? The way you
yes, I have proof. Even when police invited you to come to Schwekat, they invited you. I have proof. I have everything. Maybe, Auntie Maybe, please drop your number. I can give you the open.
Stop. They invited me to Schwekat because he was begging me to save his nyash. He tell me I should go to Schwekat to talk that he's taking care of the doctor, which was a lie.
Auntie Maybe,
yes, I'm listening.
Can you drop your number? I'm going to chat you on email. I can give you my WhatsApp number. You can
no.
Yes, I have
proof
how he was begging me that Schwekat wanted to invite me so that I will speak for him and stand for him.
Where is the black phone? Let me give you the number on the black phone.
Give me something.
So, but you did not report him.
I never reported him. It's a bullshit.
They reported Nosa that Nosa molested the younger sister since 2017. That Nosa came back from Nigeria. Nosa had been battling with that case. That was the case that Nosa went to prison for. After prison, they took his document from him. When we came and they declined our document because of the case that this girl lied against. That he lied against Nosa.
Excuse me, Mabel. I'm sorry.
So you know what this is about. So
Please. I need to say something.
From the beginning, what was the case about?
Please, I need to ask
you report Nosa or you did not?
I did not report him. I did not. My sister and my family did it.
My dear,
your sister and your family reported Nosa. Now you are here. You are saying another thing.
Nobody saying another thing. We are for sure recorded. Somebody for sure recorded.
Wait, in that proof you are going to send to me right now, it shows that Tiasha reported your husband.
Yes, I'm going to send you even in my case, accusing him of molestation. I'm going to send you the paper I'll be getting from court, which says everything. Ma, give me your WhatsApp number. Let me forward everything to you.
Let me look for the number.
Let me send me because I've never been to court. I've never been anywhere.
Tiasha, hold up 1 second. Mrs. Nosa, why are you saying that the 11-year-old girl lied about being raped? Were you there?
Where did she go to?
Hello, excuse me, ma. I never said that the 11-year-old girl lied. Because I am a mother, I cannot support anything. Wait, I cannot support anything that is inhuman as a mother that I am. Because if you do anything stupid to my child, I'm going to take action.
No, but from the way you're talking, you're saying that they lied.
I am going to take action. That one is sure. But
you're saying they lied against your husband. You were not there.
I'm speechless.
Mama, see, do you know what? Do you know what happened? Can you please allow? Can you give me a listening ear? Let me explain. I was just a victim of everything because when I came to Austria, I came with family reunion. I was granted a 4 months visa to come and collect my plastic residency here. When I came, a court case. Nosa have been battling with this court case since 2016 to 17. He said when he came back from Nigeria, Tiasha mom and the sister went to report to police that he molested the 11-year-old sister, of which I don't know if it was true or not. So what happened? They started fighting. They took the case to court. They started judging a judgment and everything. When we came to Austria, 2 weeks later, that was the final judgment of the case. After they judged the case, they said my husband has to go to 5 months imprisonment.
Because of that?
So because of that, yes, because of that. So that was why the judge now said, if my husband is in the prison, how am I going to be taking care of my 12-year-old child that I brought? And then they refused to give me my residency.
Okay.
Normally, Nosa is due for passport. You all know that Nosa mother was already a passport holder before Nosa came to Austria. Tiasha has never one day was not the one that gave my husband documents. Never.
She didn't say so. She didn't say so.
I never did. How?
She never said she did.
She didn't say so. She did not say so. If you started watching from the beginning, you know she didn't say so. Go ahead.
What I'm telling you now, the main reason why Austria deported me, they were not giving me my husband case that because my husband went to go and molest Tiasha's sister. So therefore, my husband and the family need to be deported. I can send you the proof. I will give me your email address, man. Let me transfer the proof to you.
Okay, but wait. The guy committed the crime, and the government decides to deport him. Is the government not right to do that? I don't understand. You're just all over the place.
Wait, let me go.
If he committed the crime, he has to pay for it.
I'm coming. I'm going to look for the phone again. No.
Excuse me, Mama Emily J. You talk like somebody that is senseless. You are old enough to be a mother. You are very stupid for saying that.
I am talking like somebody that knows exactly what she's talking about. You are just running your mouth.
Let me talk to somebody that has sense, not you. You don't have sense, madam. Shut up.
There are lots of women like you. There are lots of women like you who know what their husbands are doing and they support it. They support it. You're talking about you have kids.
Madam,
an
shut up.
11-year-old child was raped. And you have the nerve.
Useless mother-in-law.
You have the nerve to come and say that the girl was lying. How dare you?
Madam, shut up. Useless.
How dare you?
You see the person that
try to belittle the pain of a child.
Woman.
No. I'm glad you were deported. I am glad you were deported. I am glad you were deported.
Madam, are you not?
No. I am glad you were deported.
Shut up.
No, sis,
you and your husband didn't have what you got.
Auntie
It's okay.
Auntie Bebe, please. I want to say this before I go down. Drop your email on my TikTok. Let me forward.
I'm giving you number now, so you can send it to us, and then we can show. But you cannot see. We have to clarify things. You cannot say it halfway and then you will leave. Okay? I've already muted. I muted the
Madam, I have it on my email. Can you please drop your email for me, or I can screenshot it on my WhatsApp, then I'll send it to you. It's written in Dutch. You can see. I will send everything to you.
I can send my number to you. Is that my phone?
No, ma'am. Yeah. Please send it on.
Send me your email. Just write me anything, then I will send you my email. But one thing for sure, how strong is just like accusing someone without evidence and without proof? That is my problem.
Yes, please. Please let me clear this thing. I don't have any issue or conflicts or any anger with Tiasha, because for me, if you molest my sister, you do anything to my sister, I have right to do you anything. Do you understand? But for Tiasha to say that there was no issue between Nosa, Tiasha, please fear God. Say the truth. You guys have issue. Your mother and your sister was the one that took Nosa to court that resulted to everything.
Exactly. She said that now. She said that.
My family did.
Auntie Bebe, I'm going to send you everything on your email. You see that even Nosa case was attached to my own. I was deported. I was not given verboten because I did not commit any crime. I can still travel to anywhere I want to go to. I am deported without verboten. I don't know if you understand.
Yes,
I am deported without verboten. I am going to send you everything. I'm not ashamed of anything. For this woman, Emily J, to come here and be saying, Rob, this one that is old enough to be a grandmother, she's very stupid. Let me go down first.
No, don't do that. Don't insult anybody on my platform.
Come back. Where are you going? Come back. You cannot be running your mouth. That's why they deported you. You must be suffering where you are.
Sister, Millie J is okay.
But maybe she cannot come here and start running her mouth, trying to belittle the pains of an 11-year-old child that said she was raped. She can't do that.
She can't do that.
What did she say?
That was confused. She said, I'm lying, but she can believe her sister.
She cannot do that.
Huh? She said
that I am lying, that I took him to court, but that somebody like 11 cannot lie. Like, it's confusing what she's talking. It makes no sense. Sorry. Because in the paper...
And then she said Nosa was not deported, but Nosa has not been contacting her. She's all over the
paper that she have is writing inside maybe my name, that she's my sister. That is all that is writing in the paper, because I've never go to police. I've never go to court. Nothing.
So if you know you want